Good morning, welcome back. We're back in the Lake District in the northwestern Fells. Today parked up just down below Grasmoor, which you can see the crags of in the background. And we're going to do probably 4 or 5 Wainwrights today. So we're looking at doing Grasmoor, Crag Hill, Whiteless Pike, Wandope and Rannerdale Knot. We'll just see how we're feeling towards the end of that. That might be just a little bit too much. So once again, beautiful day out in the Lake District. And looking forward to bagging a few more Wainwrights. Morning guys, how are we doing?
Hi.
Good.
I'm
So-
good, but tired.
Tired? Why are you tired?
Because I went to bed late.
There's been this snow and kept me up all night.
What are you looking forward to today on today's walk?
Climbing that scree thingy.
We may not go up that scree thingy. I think we'll go up around the back of Grasmoor instead.
Well, I'm excited. This one looks kind of fun, so I'm just excited.
We're looking to do 3 Wainwrights today. Hopefully it stays warm, doesn't rain, but doesn't get too warm though.
Oreos. Neo.
Today we have some Chewits Blue Raspberry.
Peat bog, nice. So coming up to the first Wainwright of the day, that is Hill Crag. And what a view. Off in the background we have Keswick, Cathra and off to Skiddaw in the background. Crag Hill, not bad.
Did take us a while.
Pretty stunning.
It
Look,
is
you can see the
really
Isle of Man.
stunning.
Look, they're over there, right in the far distance. You can see something flashing.
Yeah, I can see it.
Isle of Man that
That's
way,
the Isle of Man.
Scotland over that way,
HJ.
and Keswick that way. So I think Wandope, that is the cairn, and that is probably the most pathetic cairn. Very underwhelming, but the view off is stunning. Down in Loch Valley. It runs the whole way down to the edge of the river. And here we go, people making their way up the 3rd Wainwright of the day. So this is Whiteless Pike. a lovely walk. So we started off, we headed up towards Grasmoor. We didn't actually take that in because we then split off to the right and went over to Crag Hill, and then took in Wandope and then on to Whiteless Pike, and then sort of dropped down and came down through the Randale Valley and just down on the edge of Crummock Water. I think kids are going to be desperate to get their paws into the water as Pep I think is as well.
That was really quite hard. My feet hurt.
My feet hurt quite a bit as well. But what about the views up on top of the first Wainwright that we actually did today,
really
Crag
good.
Hill?
It was stunning.
It's just stunning views all around.
Yeah, panoramic, definitely.
Absolute
And
panoramic.
look, you can actually see where we walked.
What do you two guys think of it?
Tiring, and now I'm gonna go to sleep.
You're going to go to sleep, okay?
Yeah, I want to go in the river now.